y'all, what's up? My name's Amanda, and welcome to my channel where I do whatever the fuck I want. What up, bitch? I'm gonna try to be productive tomorrow. Even though it's 3 a.m. The days are going really fast, and I'm just going really slow. So the plan was to wake up at 7 in the morning. I didn't do that. At 9:30, the plan was to wake up and film a video. It's currently 1 p.m. and I just woke up, bitch. Today was supposed to be a productive day. Yes, I understand that. Is it going to be? No.
But I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friend.
I'm going to the mall to spend money that I don't have.
I want to do it because it's fun. It's fun to do bad things.
And I'm gonna have fun. Okay, who came on my face?
That's disgusting!
Sorry, that was a snarly comment. So pretty much, I can't fix my life because I keep fucking it up. No, I'm kidding. Let me show y'all my outfit. I didn't want to go all out, so I'm really just wearing some Champion shorts that aren't really Champion. They're fake Champion because broke. Okay, you really don't gotta be telling people that. I'm wearing this tube top that says dogs, and I feel like it kind of matches. Yikes, 2 stripes, 1 stripe shit. Stripes on my ass, so he called his pussy Tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass, white bitch. Y'all thought. Well, this is just a very casual mall outfit, you know. Kodak.
What, bitch?
Okay, you look like a fucking frog, bro. Like, what? I don't really like my shoes. I'm wearing Converse. But yeehaw. Oh, and that's where I sleep. Stripes on my ass, so we call his pussy Tigger. I'm fucking on a rich ass, a scamming ass. Boy, I hate wearing 2 necklaces because it gets wrapped up like this and it's so fucking annoying, bro. Like, shit. Oh my god. Here are my friends.
Where do you got that from?
Joandra got locked out of her fitting room. That ass.
That's been a dress. I don't like it. Well, give me a cheap back. Okay, so final.
So normal people come to the fitting room to try clothes. They take it, bitches. Oh, look at that ass.
Yeah, your ass is good.
Are you guys for real?
Para tu chanta.
I like this one.
Stripes on my ass, so he called his pussy Tigger. Get on a rich ass.
Welcome to the the Ratchet Fashion Show.
1, 2, 3. Dale, movera. Yes, bitch. Ooh. Ew. It's disgusting. I don't like it. I like it from the back, but you look like an old lady. Listen to my shoes. Chantal was apparently on a very important fucking phone call. Oh, it looks cute though.
Yeah, because I'm calling my titty.
What is that walk? Sis, turn around and take that off. Turn around and take that off. Shut up.
Lía, muévete. Mira esto.
Just do it and shut
Let's
up.
try it.
Yo,
Me estoy quedando loca. Oh, mira. Mira
What?
aquí.
Okay. I'm scared. Oh my god. No entiendo.
How the fuck?
Okay. Whatever.
I think I can walk.
Y'all, so me and Leo were staring at this fucking bitch, and we just realized that she is so photoshopped onto this woman's body. Why y'all did her like this? We decided to walk into Spencer's and look at all the sex toys. And you know how people are usually embarrassed to look at sex toys? We walked in like bad bitches!
Oh my god, that's not my.
What? Buying a vibrator?
Like,
No,
all
I'm not
these
gonna say
people
that.
buy one.
Girl, what is you doing with that? What does it say?
Titties!
Where's fucking Yolanda?
I don't know.
Let's go. I was starting to get tired, but that doesn't matter when it comes to us, because we weren't going home yet. Some of us were tired, some of us were already sleeping. Y'all really don't understand how much energy it takes to deal with each other. We finally ended up at our favorite hookah place, realized that this woman's purse was literally worth $3,000.
Wait, what? She doesn't have eyelashes.
Bitch, you either.
It's okay, sis, me either. Okay, guys, I'm tired. Can we go home? Girl, bitch, no. Did you really just say that? Leah is literally a Twizzler, and my so-called friends were wearing the same shoes, and I was wearing my dirty ass Converse. And then it was fucking finally time for everyone to go home. It was about time because I was tired as oh my god, more twerking. Bye, bitch.
Bye, ho. Bye, girl.
Hey y'all, so I'm home. What's up? So right now I'm about to braid my hair so it could be cute for tomorrow. I had to take off my rings. I don't know why I have to take off my rings every time I braid my hair. This is pretty much how I braid my hair. I don't really know how to do it like cutely, and it's really hard when you have short hair. This is a tutorial. Welcome to my hair braiding tutorial. It's not really gonna come out like good or though. Girl, what? Yo, do you ever go out somewhere and like you still hear the music when you're home? Like it's dead quiet, and I feel like I hear like dun 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 dun. Oh my god, fuck! I forgot which one I'm doing. Which strand am I doing? Oh my god, this is so complicated. My brain does not have enough capacity for this. Hold up, this is low key looking kind of cute. I can't even lie. Like, I was talking mad shit about how like short hair looks bad braided, but like low key I'm killing this shit. Like I'm really killing the game out here. That shit's so sad. Look at the fucking frick, the flick, the frick, the little el flequito. Spanish people know. If you're not Spanish, then learn it up.